Very good. Audience, are you ready? You're ready. What about you, Sassy? Are you ready? Sassy's always ready. Now go, Sassy. Show it to us how intelligent you are. Where is she? Very good, Sassy. Well, by the way, Sassy is our green beak hawk. The scientific name is Arachloraptera. They can grow up to 92 centimeters and can be 70 years old. They are known as the gentle giants of the parrot family. They are the second to the largest, next to the hyacinth macaws. And that is Sassy. Come on, Sassy, you're almost done. There you go, and she did it. A round of applause for our intelligent bird, Sassy the Clear, Melvin. Okay, now it's time. Glove smash. Let me test you some easy equation. You stay fast math, okay? 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 4. 8 plus 92. 100. Alright, very good. So now I'm going to leave your cooperation. Sir, wearing a light blue shirt. Can you give me a number between 1 to 50? Any numbers? 49. Thank you, sir. First number is 49. Okay, second number, Miss Anna. Can you give me a number between 1 to 50? 12. Okay. First number is 12. Second number is 12. Okay, so now the equation is 49 plus 12. All of us knows the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can answer this question. Now, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? Well, then let's see. Here comes Buddy, our mathematical wizard, our blue category. Let's see if Buddy can answer this equation. Okay, Buddy, are you ready? Oh, it's ready. Now, go, Buddy, answer the equation. 49 plus 12. Buddy, get the first number right? 6. Now, after the second one, go, Buddy. So, analyzing the equation, 49 plus 12. And Buddy, get the number 1. The answer is 61. Round of applause to our mathematical wizard, Buddy the Clear answer. Here in Manila Ocean Park, our birds are free to fly whenever and wherever they want. Now, here are some examples of the flying babies. You go first, Dazzle. Here comes Dazzle. Beautiful fly. And here comes Buddy. Go. Show us your flying skills. Go, Buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Hero, our white-bellied seagull. Let's go, Hero. Huh? Nice fly, Hero. Hero, Dazzle, Buddy, give us some more. Another fly. One more fly, Hero. There he goes. Whoa, nice fly, Hero. Come on. Okay, good. Hero, one beautiful fly. Enjoy this moment. Very good, Hero. Okay, so now, audience, are you ready for the last flight? So, but before that, I would like to call a volunteer. Anyone? You need an adult one? Okay, ma'am. The one who's wearing a pink shirt. The one wearing a eyeglasses. Okay. Ma'am, is someone down here? So, ma'am, we will be giving you a once-in-a-lifetime experience. An experience that you will treasure it for the rest of your life. Okay, thanks so much, Hero. Now, audience, the next bird that we are going to show is one of our birds of prey. Now, audience, please stay in your seat and please try not to touch the bird because this bird is very sensitive. Okay? Okay, here comes our volunteer. Now, ma'am, What's your name? Steve. A round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Steve. All you have to do is wear our gloves. And please listen to Trainer Air's instruction. This will be very, very exciting. You will enjoy this moment. Okay. Miss Steve, Trainer Air, are we ready? We are ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting one of our birds of prey, our crescent serpent eagle. Strike. Let's go, Strike. Come on, Strike. You can do it. Come on, Strike. Don't be shy. You have done it before. And here it comes. See if you can make this. And we did it. Around the box for our crescent serpent eagle. Strike. Hey, how's the feeling? Okay, safe, man. Give your best smile and best pose to our photographer while holding Strike. Alright, we got it again on our volunteer mistake and our crescent serpent eagle. Strike. Thank you so much, man. You may now take your seat.